Hey guys, I'm back with another review, but this time on the Lionel R16 subway set. Now this is one of the rarest subway sets to find. There's really not really much to get anymore, and I'm shocked I got it. I got the R30 Redbirds. If you don't know, Lionel sets are really interesting because they have these beautiful detailed train cars that have these doors open, and they have many features with the legacy command system. But I'm shocked I got the R16 subway set for $400, and here it is. And this is the silver and blue, the EE train, and it's 4 cars, and I am really impressed with it. My expectations were really high, and they were. Continental, I don't know if you can see that. Continental Avenue to Whitehall Street. It's a 4-car set. Beautiful train. So let's start it up so you guys can see where we're heading. What's beautiful about the set is that it has opening and closing doors. Try to get all the doors. There we go. It's the inside with the seats and all that stuff. I don't know if you saw that, but in the front there's blue lights. White lights, and then in the back there's tail lights. Magnificently detailed.
Next stop, Cortlandt Street. Change for fast trains to New Jersey. for fast trains to New Jersey. EE local to Continental Avenue, Forest Hills. Next stop, City Hall. Next stop, City Hall. Next stop, City Hall. City Hall. Let go of the doors in the back.
So yeah, guys, that is the R16 Lionel Legacy Command set from Grand Central Terminal.